Hey Smarties, I'm Abhishek, your educator. Do you want to level up your study game? Let's talk about the power of self-study. Self-study is not just about reading the books, but it's about understanding your study pattern. Analyze what works best for you. You have to identify whether you focus more in the morning or you are a night owl. So you have to select wisely your own study time. Keep a journal, track your progress, block your distractions, and find your most productive time. Last but not the least, celebrate your wins, whether it is a big or small, that doesn't matter. It's boost your motivation and make study more fun. Remember, self-study is your personal roadmap to the success. Are you ready to take a charge of your learning? Let's do this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. You can do it.